We'll start with Advanced Auto Heal, a powerful feature in mabl's Expert Systems toolkit. Auto Heal detects changes in your application's UI, such as modified element IDs, and dynamically adjusts the test to prevent failures. Let's take a look at this one in action. We're going to make some updates to our Sandbox Smart Home UI. In traditional testing frameworks, doing something simple like changing the label of an element or reordering items in a list will cause tests to fail. We'll dive into the backend and make some changes to the UI, like changing an element's label from outside the house to away from home. From a semantics perspective, this is essentially the same, but common frameworks would only see a change in the language and fail the step. Also, just to show off a little, we'll shift and reorder the two sections. We'll save this branch and submit a pull request to simulate a common developer workflow of updating the app. What we won't do is change anything about the test in mabl. We still have the same step of clicking on the outside the house span element. When we run the test, we have a passing run and a notification that mabl used Advanced Auto Heal on our step that changed the most significantly. We can dive into the details in the Insights tab to see how mabl tracked the element info over time, and we can even compare changes to the text attribute. Reviewing the find summary gives us more visibility into what mabl did to prevent this test failure. What happened here is that we started with an expert system that narrowed the set of possibilities down to the individual options. Then we used a large language model to add the perspective of language meaning to identify the element that aligned with the intent of the original test. This is really powerful. This feature ensures that minor application changes don't disrupt test flow, drastically reducing maintenance and saving your team valuable time. Plus, all auto heal actions are tracked, so you're always in control and can review or revert adjustments if needed.